General Metin Gurak, Chief of Turkish General Staff, Republic of Turkey, is an officer of high intellect, and his excellent administrative and professional qualities earned him the reputation of being a courageous and competent officer. General Metin Gurak has played a vital role for implementing peace and stability around Turkey. Ladies and gentlemen, General Gurak, during his outstanding military career, served on different staff and command appointments, which prominently include Commander of 2nd Armored Brigade, Chief of Communication Department of TGS, Commander of Military Academy, Commander of Army Aviation School, Commander of Army Aviation, Commander of 4th Corps, Commander of Land Forces Tredok Communication Service Support Training, Chief of Staff of Land Forces Command, and Deputy Chief of Turkish General Staff. In recognition of his excellent service and outstanding achievements, he was elevated to the rank of General in 2020 and served as 2nd Army Commander before being appointed as Chief of Turkish General Staff in August last year. Ladies and gentlemen, General is a sincere and close friend of Pakistan. He has played a prominent role in promoting and strengthening defense relations between both brotherly countries. In recognition of his illustrious services, the President of Islamic Republic of Pakistan has been pleased to confer the award of Nishan Imtiaz Military upon General Metin Gurak, Chief of Turkish General Staff, Republic of Turkey. I now request the General to please come on stage and receive the award of Nishan Imtiaz Military from the President of Islamic Republic of Pakistan.